Hello everyone, hope you had a great week, great weekend. Let's start with the DXY. Hopefully most of you are benefiting from these moves as we explained them from last week. Still the move did not finish. Still looking for this short to the downside towards these areas, 100 area on the DXY. That would send us to the pound, looking towards 128, 129, 128, 500 to 129 area for a retest of that zone. Euro USD, the same thing, looking for longs, most likely towards these areas, 1.1, 1.09. USDCAD, it was the trade of the week. Hopefully most of you that swing trade are in it and benefiting from the move. Still looking for more short. If you are in, you should be still holding, taking partials around these areas and letting the rest run towards 126 area and maybe lower, who knows. But for the time being, this is my view, this is where I'm looking for it to go. So hopefully you're benefiting from the trade of the week. For the upcoming week, the same thing, you should be still holding this trade. You can add on it on any retest on the 4-hour or the 8-hour candle. There's a retest here around 127.250, a retest and continuation, but keep in mind to take some partial. Most likely, let me clear this one. Most likely we would have something like this, right? This is gonna continue, break this low, come back up, and then drop back again. We should have a reaction around these areas as a pullback. So as a day trader, you can day trade this pullback, or a swing trader, don't forget to add to your trade for continuation of the down move. Aussie, the same thing, still looking for continuation towards these areas, and these areas 173, 500 and 174. Commodities, looking at gold, would love this to be taken, this high to be taken out. So looking for something like this before any continuation of the down move. Before any continuation of the down move, I still don't see the down move finished. Don't want to enter into more complication, but that's what I would be looking for. Silver, the same thing. As I said, it's not gonna be, there's no volume on it, so the way it is trending, very shallow price, revisiting every area, so it's not a trade that you want to be in. Just leave it alone until it gives a better direction, or until gold finishes its move. We might have a revisit of this low. Oil, as I mentioned last week, break of this, continue looking for your buys. So you should have entered from here. If not, on the revisit of it, look for buys. Any buy setup, you can take it as a day trader or even a swing trader, still looking for more highs. This would repeat, this would repeat somewhere in the future. So still looking for oil to continue and even break these highs. Steadily, that's a steady move to the upside. Indices, we're looking for continuation of this move, a retest. That was our midweek session, retest of this and continuation of the move, looking towards on US 30 towards 3400, a retest of that area that's indicated here. S&P 500, the same thing, looking for a retest of this area 4300. And NAS, this has been taken out. Next up is around these areas, 1300. Anyways, for the crypto, tomorrow I will do a dedicated online video concerning crypto. We'll go into details and my view concerning BTC, ETH, XRP, or whatever you guys want me to cover, but basically I would cover all three and DOT. So tomorrow we'll release the video for the crypto. It's gonna be like 15 minutes video going into lower time frames and maybe giving you guys some trades to consider for the upcoming week. Don't forget to trade safe and have a beautiful week.